You think it's mob justice. It's just market feedback. Cancel culture isn't a witch hunt. It's customer service with a microphone, and you're all just walking into a store that suddenly changed its return policy. The left screams about authoritarianism. The right whines about free speech. Both of you are missing the point. This isn't politics. It's reputation velocity. When your digital footprint tanks, your real-world options evaporate. That's not tyranny. That's supply and demand. Let's crush the liberal delusion first. You call it accountability. I call it narrative warfare with better lighting. You don't want justice. You want compliance and the conservative panic, pure brain rot. You think a viral thread can destroy a career. Cute. Algorithms decide that. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Social media flipped the power dynamic. No more gatekeepers, just raw, unfiltered crowd consensus. When a brand missteps, the mob doesn't care about due process. They care about vibes, and vibes are a currency. The right screams about censorship. The left screams about hate speech. Both sides are playing checkers while the platform owners play four-dimensional chess. You're not fighting for principles. You're fighting for algorithmic visibility. Let's talk demographic velocity. Gen Z doesn't care about your tenure. They care about your trajectory. You can't out-argue a generation that treats moral consistency like a software update. Patch it or get deprecated. Your 10,000 followers are watching. And don't give me that constitutional loophole nonsense. The First Amendment protects you from the government. It does not protect you from your employer, your followers, or your own past. You want free speech. Buy a printing press or shut up. The liberal coping mechanism. But what about nuance? A conservative skill issue. But what about context? Nuance and context are dead. They were murdered by the attention economy. You're not reading articles anymore. You're consuming emotional grenades. This isn't about morality. It's about social leverage. When you post, you're signing a binding contract with the internet. Every word is a deposit. Every mistake is a withdrawal. Run out of balance, you're liquidated. So stop pretending you're victims of a witch hunt. You're participants in a global reputation exchange. The left wants purity. The right wants immunity. Neither gets it. The market wants predictability, be predictable, or get priced out. Here's the final loop. You think cancel culture is new. Since 1995, we've traded town squares for server racks. Your grandparents had neighborhood gossip. You have a trending hashtag. Same game, different bandwidth. Stop crying about the rules. Start playing the... Drop your take below. Are you here for accountability, or are you just afraid of the bill coming due? Subscribe if you're ready to stop whining and start auditing your own digital footprint.